Alright guys, so what happened here is I had way too much footage on one video, so I had to split them in half. And basically I also did this because some of you complained that I didn't do work in one video, but you know what, I don't really care. But half of this video was more of a vlog, and then the other half was work. So I was just like, how about I split them up so the people that don't want to watch a vlog don't have to watch it. And then, well, I mean, you don't have to anyway, but then you're skipping through trying to find the work and stuff, but whatever. I split them up, so this episode is going to be a vlog. The next one, I do a bunch of work, and I reveal the paint color of the Eclipse. So stay tuned for that, and let's get into it. What's up, guys? Whoa. Anyway, I'm going to start this episode. I need to change the tires on Ashley's Camaro because she's doing too many burnouts, and they're bald in the center, like I'm running too much air, but we're not, so I don't know what's going on there. But Stewie is as ornery as ever.
He took his shit all in the freaking carpet.
Yeah, he did, but we have more medicine that upsets his stomach, so didn't ya? Who took a shit? Who took a shit on the carpet?
You gotta clean up. Me.
Yeah, she did. Well, your boy was unloading too at the same time. So me and Stewie was both unloading.
It was a shitty household.
Yeah. Hey, Still.
Alright,
Stella. Hungry hippo.
She's seeing some.
Yeah, she's tubby today. You wanna know why? She busted into the room where we keep the spare food and decided to just eat until she was about to explode, didn't you? Huh? Is that what happened? She didn't want to talk about it. But then after we get these tires changed and put on her car, I was trying to see if I could borrow my buddy's garage, but that's not going to work out because his garage is full. So what's going to happen is I'm going to go out to Jerry's and use his shop, and we're going to sand, prep, and primer, possibly put a little bit of paint on. I want to see how it turns out, but I'm on the fence on what I want to do yet. I'm not really, I want to talk to Jerry because he'll know. I don't know if he'll know about spray paints, but he knows about regular paint, and ask him how this 2K clear is going to work with this spray paint. The spray paint I got is gloss, and I read online that it works better with flat paints, but I'm wondering if I use the gloss and color sand and then cover it with clear, how that'll work out. I've been doing a lot of reading. I've seen a lot of conflict on how you should and how you shouldn't, so I'm kind of like not really sure how I'm going to go about it yet. It's not really a big deal yet, and I'm getting a phone call. It was my wife calling me from outside the house. She couldn't just yell, I guess. Anyway, so that's what's going on today. You might get to see the color that I'm going to use. You might not. I don't know. I just don't know how I'm going about it yet. But like I said, I got a lot of time. So even if I do screw up, we can redo it. It's no big deal. So the Xterra. People were like, why aren't you working on the Xterra? They're coming to pour concrete Monday. I can't tear it down and then have an issue and I can't move it. So I'm not tearing it down here, and I don't have a garage to work in that I can leave it there overnight. So that's why it's been put on hold. But also on top of that, I have somebody that's really interested in it, and they're coming to look at it Sunday morning. And I told them, I just said, it's just going to be time till I can work on it. And they said they might want to take it as is and get it fixed on their own. And I said, well, we can do that too. I'll give them a better price on it. So that's what's going to happen, I believe, if they're interested. So this might be the last of the Xterra. I don't know. We'll see. It's already about noon, so we'll see what I get into today, and hopefully we get a lot done. Or not, like normal, like procrastination, not getting shit done. Alright, so as you can see, my wife doesn't want anybody else in the driveway, obviously, because she doesn't pull her car up far enough. So I'm going to pull it up real quick and maybe move my truck. And we got to get both back wheels off. And these, if I can get them, are just covers. I'm going to take off because I don't want to damage them. Oh, they get stuck one there. I don't want to break them. She'll be mad at me. Look at the wear marks on here from those plastic wheel covers. That's the only bad thing I've found about these now. I didn't notice these before, but they're showing up now, and this wheel will never look good without these covers on again. So that's the downside to using those. But and look how bad this tire wore. Like, look at the center and look at the sides. I don't know why. Maybe it's just the tire itself. I don't know. We got different tires. We got Toyos that are going on. This one wore exactly the same as the other one. They look good from the outside. You look in, and then you get the whole way around, and it's like, what the hell? No tread left. So we're gonna get these switched out and put these Toyos on. I bet my truck is full. I have the super rim in here that I need to take the tire off of. There are the Toyos I got. And then Eclipse parts. So hopefully I can get these all fit in here. This is junk. I don't like carrying all this shit. Just got raped. I'm out of the tires myself. I had to pay $5 a tire to get rid of them, so that was $15. And then they didn't have a balancer over there where I mount my tires at. And there's a guy I normally go to, and he normally charges me $5-10 to balance tires for me. He's not in this week because he went on vacation. He just got back, but he's not in his shop, so I had to bring him here. They charged me $24. Tires are off the car. They're already mounted. All I had to do is balance them. They balanced them. They charged me $24. I don't know. Maybe that's not a lot. That's a lot to me. I don't know how this camera's still working. I left it on the step rail of my truck, and I just drove it out of here and didn't even think about it, and it landed on the concrete and slid down the driveway, and it's still working, kind of, I think. I don't know, the microphone port's a little crooked, so I hope the microphone's working. Testing these new tires out. Let's check the grip. Those Toyota tires stick good. Lots of tread. Lots. So let me tell you where I'm at right now at this point. I do not think we're going out to Jerry's. It's too late in the evening, and I swore I bought a roll of 320 grit for my my power sander. I cannot find it anywhere. I swore I bought some, but in the morning, then I think about it and I don't remember. I thought maybe I was waiting to buy 400 grit, but we're going for effective. I need to get a roll of 320. I'm going to get out of the hardware store here. If they don't have it, a roll, then I'm going to run to Harbor Freight. And if I had to run to Harbor Freight until I get back, it's just going to be too late to start today. I got all day tomorrow, which will be the same video for you guys, but I just don't feel like rushing around right now and getting out there to only work for a little bit, and I want to have more time when I go out there. So let me get down to the hardware store, see what we're working with. If they have a roll there for decent price, then I might pick it up, but otherwise I don't think it's gonna happen. Well, I forgot we have 2 hardware stores around here now, and I checked them both, and nobody has any sandpaper past 220, so that's not going to be sufficient. This is the place we stopped at. Now I'm gonna run to Harbor Freight and we'll get the sandpaper, but I'm not gonna go out to Jerry's today, so we'll get back to that tomorrow. Alright, so I got my 320 grit roll. This was about $20, it was $19, whatever. I was going to spend close to that for like 5 sheets at the hardware store. I wasn't having that. And I got myself a decent respirator, because those little paper ones that you put on your face that are, you know, you just put over and form your nose, they do not work that great. So I got that, and hopefully that works a little bit better. Stewie, what you doing? Huh? Going after the camera shadows. Stewie. My wife made me fudge.
Yeah, look, I do love you.
Yeah, some days.
And it's pumpkin fudge. You tell him it's delicious.
Yes, it is. Guy at work brought some in. His wife made it. It was amazing. So.
I made some because I love them. So.
Mm-hmm.
Nah,
She sacrifices making bad stuff to make me happy, because she won't eat it, but she will eat it. And if she starts to eat it, then she won't stop eating it.
So I just can't touch it.
Yes.
Maybe.
Still, you want some fudge? You can't have it.
I have no doubt though you'll eat it within a couple days. So. Yeah, if you agree with me, see, he agrees with me.
I don't know if it's just you guys. Do rainy days make you tired? I don't know. Anyway, I got my wife a Vimble stabilizer for her phone so she can make smooth videos. This thing's actually really nice. It was like $89. Comes with a case and everything. It's pretty neat. Anyway, what I'm gonna do this morning, if I get this thing set here, is that fudge that she made me last night did not set up, so we don't know what happened. And she's pretty upset about it before she went to work, so I'm gonna make it. Cooking with Todd. This should be good.
All right, ladies and gents. Oh wait, I need a cooking hat. Hold on.
Butter. Okay. So on the fudge directions. This is really good stuff. Anyway, you mix your sugar, evaporated milk, canned pumpkins. Oh shoot. Do I have pumpkin spice? Son of a... I think I do. I gotta find it first. Alright, so we do in fact have pumpkin spice. I don't have to go to the store. I thought I did. Anyway, you're gonna put your sugar, milk, pumpkin, butter, and pumpkin spice in a medium saucepan over medium heat, and bring it to a boil and keep it there for 12 minutes. So let's do that. Alright, I got all my shit in there. Bring that to a boil for 12 minutes, and then you want to dump the rest of your shit in. I made a mess. I gotta go clean up while this is heating. It smells delicious. And this calls for an 11-ounce package of white chocolate chips. This is a 12-ounce. Yeah, let's be for real. Just throw 12 ounces in it.
It's alive! It's alive!
Alright. It's looking good. Ashley's, when she made it, didn't look that white. It was kind of darker, so I'm wondering if she might have forgot something. Whatever. We're gonna make it, and it's gonna be good, and I'm gonna eat it. I don't mean to brag and all. That's pretty tasty stuff. Mine's setting up already, so I don't know what she did, but it's delicious. You guys, I know, card channel, but if you want to make this, get a quick screenshot of that. And I'm going to pass my chef hat down to my kitty. There you go, Stu. He's like, what? What is that? What is that? What? Come on, you're supposed to wear it. There. Come here. Put it on your tail.
I forget what I'm wearing.
Battle Royale going on right now.
I guess I'll take that with me.
Battle Cats. So yeah, I ate a quarter of that pan of fudge already. My wife. She's making fun of me for being a fatty. Whatever, you looked at me like that.
You put words in my mouth.
I put fudge in my mouth. On other news, guys, I'm sorry, you're not going to see the Xterra anymore. You might see it go bye-byes, but somebody's been waiting for it, and I told them, I said I just can't get to it. So they decided to come look at it today, and they're going to take it home. So, they're not taking it home today, but we got to run it to the enhanced inspection station, and then they'll take it home after that. So, yeah, sorry guys, I know you guys like that build and everything, but basically it was done besides putting those parts in, and I told them, I said, I'm not listing it online until I fix that stuff. They wanted it now, so I'm not going to argue with them, I'm just going to sell it to them. What's up, fitness guru?
Yeah.
Oh man, look at them pythons. Oh my.
Big hole.
Oh my. Stewie, what is wrong with your mom? Huh? What? Yeah?
He's talking.
Yeah, he is. He's talking to the fans. Stewie, for president 2020. Yeah. Yeah.
They don't understand. He can be a little evil thing in the middle of the night.
Yeah, he was pouncing on Mom's head last night.
Button it. He then kissed my lips, and he stepped all over my pillow.
He said, "No, that wasn't me." He said, "That wasn't me." You gonna close it out? Alright. Why are you talking so much?
Stewie.
Stewie, close the episode out. Close the episode out. Say.